so in today's video I'm going to teach you all how to apply a liquid lip and cheek tint correctly. I'm going to demonstrate this on my cheeks as well as on my lips. I'll also show you how to apply it on your eyes because these are like multi-purpose products and you can use it in so many different ways. But most of us don't really know how to use it correctly, and that's why when you apply it on your cheeks it kind of looks patchy. When you apply it on your lips it just does not look natural. It's supposed to look very natural, and that's the main job of a liquid lip and cheek tint. So I'm going to show you the correct way of using this. Firstly, I'm going to demonstrate this on my cheeks. Now what you have to do is just take one dot of it and apply it right on the apples of your cheeks, like that. Make sure that you have a mirror to always see what you're doing. Now with the help of both of your fingers, you're supposed to like dab this upwards in a slant direction. So just keep dabbing it upwards like that. As you can see, it's blending so seamlessly and it's looking so natural. Once you're done blending it, you just want to like swipe it. And there you go. It looks super natural, it looks so blended, it literally looks like a flush of color that's coming from within and not something that I've applied externally. So that is how you're supposed to use a lip and cheek tint, especially a liquid one. This is the correct way of using it. If you apply like 3-4 dots of it, I've seen like a lot of people do that, and then they go in and blend it. It just looks very unnatural. You're supposed to take one dot of it and blend it, and if you think the intensity is way too low, you can always build it up. This one is very buildable, so I'm just gonna show you how it looks with another coat. So again, I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm just gonna use both of my fingers and dab it in upward direction. And once that's done, I'm just gonna swipe it. So as you can see, इसकी intensity काफ़ी increase हो गई, इसका pigmentation काफ़ी increase हो गया, and it's given me such a beautiful pink flush of color. So this lip and cheek tint is very blendable. It's buildable as well, and in spite of applying 2 coats of it, it still looks super natural. So this is a Kiro Afterglow lip and cheek tint. Now this comes in 4 beautiful shades. 01 Beach Peach, which is a peachy tone. 02 Rose Apple, which has a rosy pink tone. 03 Raspberry Compote, which has a berry tone. And 04 Fuchsia Blaze, which has a bright pink tone. So all the shades are very beautiful and they're very flattering for Indian skin tone, and you can use them on your lips, on your cheeks and on your eyes. These are multi-purpose tints. The reason why I love these Kiro Afterglow lip and cheek tints is because they're absolutely non-patchy. You guys saw for yourself how seamlessly, how effortlessly they blended, and they just look and feel absolutely non-patchy. They look so natural, they blend seamlessly, and they're also buildable, which is the best part. You can get from a sheer finish to a deeper pigment. It really depends on like how you like it, but it's very buildable. Even if I want to like upscale this a little bit, the pigmentation, I can still add another layer, but I feel like this looks pretty natural. Moreover, it feels very comfortable on the skin, unlike most of the other liquid lip and cheek tints, which when you apply they feel very watery and after that they just dry out. This one does not feel dry at all. This has the perfect consistency. This just feels so comfortable. It's neither drying, it's not too greasy or too moisturizing. It's just perfect. It just sits so beautifully, so comfortably on the skin, on the lips, and it's because it's enriched with very good ingredients. Like it's got hyaluronic acid which hydrates the skin and lips. It's got cranberry seed oil which soothes the skin and lips, and it's got rosehip oil which improves the skin's elasticity and makes the skin look more youthful and more radiant. So overall it looks so natural, it feels so comfortable. I love the shades as well, and the fact that you can build it up to the extent, to the intensity that you like is the best part. And these are like multi-purpose, so you can use it on your cheeks, on your lips, on your eyes, and in so many other ways. And these are very travel friendly as well. You don't need to carry like an eyeshadow, a blush and a lipstick. Just carry like one or two of these for your trips and you will be good to go. So now let me just demonstrate how to use these on your lips as well as on your eyes. So I'm going to apply them on my lips now. I'm going to use the same shade that I used on my cheeks on my lips as well, because you sort of have to match everything up. So on my cheeks I use 02 Rose Apple, and I'm going to use this on my lips now. So for your lips, what you want to do is that you want to work one lip at a time. So I'm just going to apply this one dot, blend it out on the lower lip, and then using my finger and just dabbing it. By dabbing it, you're making sure that the color is evenly spread throughout your lips. Now if you want to increase the intensity of it, you can do that, but I feel like this looks pretty good. So I'm going to repeat the same on my upper lip. I'm just going to take one dot and then just spread it out a little, and then using my finger I'm dabbing it and spreading it all across my lips. You can also swipe if you want. A lot of people like apply and swipe, but I feel like when you dab it, it gives you more of an even coverage, and it just looks more natural rather than swiping it. So there you go, I'm done applying it on my lips, and as you can see, the pigmentation is really good. I really love how well pigmented it is, and it literally looks like somewhere between a tint and a lipstick. It doesn't look so much like a very sheer tint, like those tints which just do not look good on the lips. There are a couple of tints in the market which are so watery, and when you apply them they just look so blah on the lips. They sort of emphasize on the pigmentation on your lips, but this has like hidden my upper dark lip. My upper lip is a little darker than the lower lip, so it's sort of hidden that, it's sort of covered all of that, and it's given me such a beautiful even toned look on my lips. And the fact that it's like so decently pigmented is the best part. It just looks so good. Doesn't look like a lipstick, but it doesn't even look like a tint. It looks somewhere in between, and it feels also very comfortable. It doesn't feel drying at all, like not at all. At the same time, it doesn't feel too creamy, so it's just perfect. So I love the formulation of this Afterglow lip and cheek tint by Kiro. I absolutely love the formulation, the pigment, the shade range, everything. So now let me demonstrate how to apply this on your eyes. So I'm just going to apply it on this eye, and for your eyes you need a very tiny amount. You don't even need a dot. So I'm just slightly gonna like take it on my eye. This is like less than a dot, and again I'm just gonna dab. If you want you can swipe, but this will give you a more natural look. So once you're done dabbing, you can swipe it slightly, especially the edges, to sort of blend it out. And there you go. That is how easy it is to apply it on your lips, on your cheeks, as well as on your eyes. And while traveling you don't need to carry like an eyeshadow, a blush and a lipstick. If you just carry like one or two of these tints, you will be good to go, because at the end of the day, makeup is more about matching like all the colors on your face. If you match your eyes, your cheeks and your lips, it's like everything is going to come together. So you can just carry this while traveling and you will be sorted. It looks so natural. It doesn't look like I've put on too much effort into getting ready. It doesn't look like I have too much makeup on, but at the same time I just look so much presentable. Like if you compare both of the sides, this side I did not apply the blush, I did not apply the eyeshadow, and if you compare, you can see the difference for yourself. So that is the magic, that is the power of the Kiro Afterglow Lip and Cheek Tint. I absolutely love what it's done to my skin, to my eyes, to my lips, to my cheeks, and I really love like how beautiful it looks. So out of all the liquid lip and cheek tints that I've ever tried, these are the best so far, and they're so comfortable, they're so natural looking. I love the shade range as well, and I love how they like look and feel on the skin. So if you want to try these out, I'm going to leave all the purchase links to these lip and cheek tints in the description box below. You can check that out, and if you happen to try them, do let me know your experience in the comments below. These are by far the best lip and cheek tints, liquid wale, that I've ever used, and I highly recommend you try them out too. They look so natural, so pretty, and they just feel super comfortable. So I highly recommend you try them out. So that is how you're supposed to apply a liquid lip and cheek tint on your cheeks, on your lips as well as on your eyes. If you have any further doubts on the application of these products, do comment down below. I'll definitely answer your questions and solve your doubts. If you have any other video requests for me, if you want me to film more tutorials for you all, do comment down the topic as well, and I'd love to film more such videos for you all. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.